What's up you guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset your Windows 10 computer. I'm gonna walk you through the process step by step, and I will also record the laptop itself for you to see the entire process. Let's do it. Quick note, very important, if you're going to reset a laptop, make sure that you have enough battery in it. I recommend you to connect the charger and make sure that it's charging. This is to avoid interruption and to keep your system files safe. And make sure to back up your important files. Now let me switch to the camera so you can see how it goes. So first, go to Windows Settings, select Update and Security, click the Recovery tab, then under the Reset This PC, click the Get Start button. Then there will be two options here, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. So in my case, I will just remove everything because I want to have a fresh installation of Windows. Okay, now so it's asking me whether to remove all the files from all drives or only the drive where Windows is installed. I'll just select only the drive where Windows is installed because I want to keep my files inside my D drive. Now it's asking me if I want to clean the drives, and cleaning the drives will take more time, so I will just select just remove my files. This is also similar to quick format back in the days of Windows 7 or Windows XP, if you ever heard of them. Now let's click the reset button. Now the process will start from here. I just want to note that your PC may restart several times and the screen might turn off sometimes as well. So just relax, it's normal. This may take some time, maybe an hour or an hour and a half, or maybe lesser. From here, I will fast forward this video to save us some time. Now that it's booted, I'm gonna set some settings here. So I'm gonna put the country and the time zone that I am in. Then click next. And if you have nothing else to do, you can read the terms and conditions, or you can just click accept. Then you can skip this step if you don't want to connect to the internet. Then from here, I'll just select the express settings. You can customize it, but I'll just use express settings. Then I will need to create an account for this PC because I removed everything earlier. So I just need to set the username and password. Alright, then click next. Then you will need to wait for this to finish. I'll fast forward the video again to save us some time. And it started. So let me show you what we have here. So as you can see, there's no files inside the downloads folder. And let me show you the D drive. And yes, my files are still inside my D drive. That's great. So let me just install OBS so I can present to you in screen view. This is something that you don't need to do. Okay, so I've installed OBS. Now let me show you the C drive first. So as you can see here, I have a Windows.old folder, which is the previous Windows folder before resetting this computer. So let me show you again the drive D. So here I still have my files here after resetting this computer. Your drive D can serve as your backup folder as long as you select the option that I showed you before that says only the Windows is installed. That should work. Now let me show you the drivers. It seems okay here. We do not have an error or warning. Windows 10 use the default drivers for you. You won't reinstall your drivers again. So as you can see here, the driver is pretty old. It says 2015, but this should work perfectly. And in case you have an error here or you have a missing driver, I have a separate video for that, where you can install or update your driver using a third-party tool. I also have a written version for this tutorial. I will link it in the description below. There I have explained in detail the whole process and the options, the settings, and some other stuff that you might want to know. And okay, that's a wrap. I hope this video helped you, and I hope that you got the information that you need. Let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in the next one.